Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss two problem here. One is lithium tetraborohydride is added, and second is BS3 and dimethyl sulfide is added, and the starting material is the same here. So if you see, actually this is the printed starting material we have shown here. So in the what happened here, in this lithium borohydride will be act on this, means will be act here, means this will convert into CS2OH. Okay, means this carbonyl will be changed to CS2OH, and it will be the releasing group here. Okay, and so if you see, this is the on the base, this is the on the dash, and this is the COH, and OET. So lithium borohydride act on this carbon, and this way two CS2 will be added. Is the first time, means first, second and second time. Two CS2 hydride will be added, and this will convert into CS2H. So it further minus charge will be generated, which further shifted here, and this OET will be released out in the reaction medium. Okay, so again what happened here, when CS2H will be formed here, this is on the dash, CS2OH. So here what happened, this again minus charge will be, this hydrogen will be released out here, because okay, it will subtract hydrogen, okay, here, and minus charge will be generated, which will be act on this carbonyl, means this, and this one is OS. So minus charge will be shift here, and this carbonyl, after that what happened, this will be released out, this charge will be anti and reverse, and this OS will be released out. So lactone formation will be here, means the product will be this one, means lactone formation. This is the lactone unit, so lactone formation will be takes place. So same situation will be here, this COH. In this what happened, BS3 will be converts COS, means BS3 it is a selective boron reagent. BS3 will be it is the monomer of B2H6. okay, so BS3 will be act on this, convert COS to a primary alcohol, and same when CS2OS will be converted CS2H. After CS2H formation, O minus charge will be attack on this carbonyl, and this after anti-clockwise reverse of charge, it will be act as a leaving group. So in this also lactone formation takes place, but direction will be reverse, means this CO is shifted on in this position. Okay, so thank you, and if anyone cannot understand this problem, please write down in the comments box. We will solve this. Okay.